Dear students, welcome back to online learning of subject geography. Today we are going to study chapter number 4. The name of the chapter is air pressure. As we have studied about this topic, air pressure, in previous class and in science subject. So before going to the explanation, let us start with small activity. Look at the picture. Air has weight. Take a stick from a broom or plastic straw. Tie a thread at its center. Hang it so that it remains horizontal. Tie two rubber balloons of the same size at the two ends of the stick. See to it that stick remains horizontal. Now remove one balloon. Inflate it, tie it again at its original position. Now observe, does the stick remains horizontal? The stick goes down on the side of the inflated balloon. This means that air has weight. During the activity, you saw that the balance tipped on the side of full blown balloon. This shows that the air has weight. What is air pressure? Anything that has weight exerts pressure on the thing that lies below it. Thus, the air in the atmosphere exerts pressure on the surface of the earth. Due to this air pressure, various phenomena like storms, precipitation, etc. occur in the atmosphere. Now, what is meaning of precipitation? The precipitation means the water which we get in natural form, either in the form of rainfall or melting of ice. There are variations in air pressure. Air pressure is not uniform on all places on the earth's surface. Air pressure keeps on changing from time to time. The altitude of a region, temperature of the air, and the amount of water vapor in the air are some factors influencing air pressure. Altitude of the region and air pressure. The proportion of dust in the air, water vapor, heavy gases, etc. is higher in the air closer to the surface of the earth. This proportion decreases with increasing altitude. As one moves higher and higher from the surface of the earth, the air becomes thinner and thinner. As a result, the air pressure decreases with increasing altitude. The depth, distance from top to bottom of the atmosphere is greatest at sea level and decreases at higher altitudes. With greater depth of the atmosphere, more air is pressing down from above. Therefore, air pressure is greatest at sea level and falls with increasing altitude. On top of Mount Everest, which is tallest mountain on earth, air pressure is only about one third of the pressure at sea level. Air temperature and air pressure. Now here is an activity for you. Take a flying lantern. Tie an approximately 5-meter long thread to the flying lantern so that you can bring the lantern down whenever required. After carefully reading the instructions given on the package of the lantern, open it and light the candle placed in it. Observe what happens. After some time, bring the lantern down with the help of thread and put off the candle. Did the flying lantern start ascending immediately after the candle was lit? What would have happened to the flying lantern had the candle got extinguished after the lantern had gone up in the air? The air in the flying lantern gets heated once the candle is lit. The hot air expands, becomes lighter and start moving up. Therefore, the lantern is also lifted up toward the sky. In nature too, a similar phenomena occurs. Temperature and air pressure are closely related. Wherever the temperature is high, the air pressure is low. As the temperature rises, the air gets heated, expands, and becomes lighter. This lighter air in the vicinity of the Earth's surface starts moving up toward the sky. As a result, the air pressure in such areas decreases. Air pressure can also change with the temperature. Warm air rises, resulting in lower pressure. On the other hand, cold air will sink, making the air pressure higher. This is where the term low pressure and high pressure come from. A general rule of weather forecasting is that when low pressure moves in, it will bring stormy weather. Higher pressure will usually bring good weather.